In this lesson, I'm going to talk about how to calculate the surface area of a rectangular prism. This is a very commonly missed problem on the MCAs and ACTs where students misinterpret surface area with volume. The surface area is the outer shell that we're looking at here. So what we need to do is we need to think of this as, I would start with like your top section and your bottom section and calculate what that area is going to be. So what we have here is that when we look at the top and the bottom, those are technically going to just be rectangles themselves. So if I look at the top and the bottom and I want to calculate that area, the area is going to be equal to just 5 times 4. So I take 5 times 4, but there's 2 of them, so I multiply it by 2, and then I get 40 centimeters squared. So that would be for the top and the bottom. Now I should probably look at the right side and the left side. Okay, when I look at the right and the left side, I have to think of that again as a rectangle. So it's 4 by 10. So the area would be 4 times 10, but there are 2 of them that are the same, so I multiply that by 2. And that gets me 80. Then I look at the back and the front. So I would look at back and front. So remember, there's 6 total sides that we're talking about here. But then the bottom length horizontally would be 5. 5 is our width. The height is the height of the rectangular prism, which is 10. But again, there's 2 of them. So 50 times 2 is 100. Now to get my total, the total surface area, I add all these numbers together. So I add the 40 to the 80 and the 100. So I have 120 plus 100, which will give me 220 centimeters squared. So keep in mind, whenever you're doing surface area of a prism, you have to think about it as each individual side, add each area up, and